Hello children, we are ready with another beautiful story which teaches us that if we determine to do something, we can do it. Nothing is impossible. That is the title of the story. Long, long ago, there lived a boy. His name was Vishnu Gupta. Vishnu Gupta was born in a village near Takshashila or Taxila, which is now in Pakistan. He was also called Chanakya. For it, there are two possible reasons. Some say that his father was a sage named Chanakya. Others told that he came from a village called Chanakya. एक नया वर्ड आया सेज. जानते हैं सेज कौन होता है? वाइज पीपल, एक्सट्रीमली वाइज पीपल आर कॉल्ड सेज. नाउ Takshila was a well-known center of learning in those days. Students from far away places came to this place for higher studies. Chanakya too got his education at Takshashila. There he studied the art how kings should govern. He soon became a famous scholar and was appointed as a teacher at Takshashila. जहाँ से higher education ली, वहीं पे teacher appoint हो गए थे चाणक्य. During those days, Magad was the only big kingdom in India where a king named Nanda ruled. He was a bad king who did not care for his subjects. Chanakya went to Patliputra, which was the capital of Magad. Being known all over as a great scholar, Chanakya became the president of Sangha, or trust which controlled the royal charity. Nanda removed Chanakya from the post without any reason and utterly insulted him. Imagine, इतना highly educated teacher और इतनी अच्छी post पे क्योंकि बहुत ही wise था, उसको insult करके निकाल दिया. He ordered him to leave the palace immediately. Chanakya left the palace in great fury. नया word. Fury मतलब बहुत तेज गुस्सा. So he vowed to dethrone the king Nanda and destroy the Nanda dynasty. देख रहे हैं, इतने गुस्से में थे चाणक्य कि इन्होंने कसम खाई कि इस किंग को इसकी राजगद्दी से उतार देंगे. मतलब डिथ्रोन, और नई जो नंदा डायनेस्टी है उसको खत्म करके नई डायनेस्टी बनाएंगे. As Chanakya was going away from Patliputra, he came across a young man named Chandragupta Maurya. Chanakya saw in this young man a promise of greatness. He at once made up his mind to help him to become the king in place of Nanda. He taught him how to set about the task and then raised an army to attack Magad. The scheme did not work. The attack was unsuccessful. But Chanakya was not a man to lose heart. He went to the northwestern part of India. The Greek invader Alexander had already gone back after conquering this part of India. So people in the various states were feeling the need of a strong power to keep off foreign attacks. देख रहे हैं, ये थे चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य जिनमें चाणक्य को एक अच्छा राजा बनने की कैपेबिलिटी नजर आई. Now Chanakya rose to the occasion. He united all the northwestern states under Chandragupta and led a strong attack against the Nanda Empire, which was crushed into pieces. Chandragupta Maurya was now the emperor and Chanakya was his chief minister. The vow that he had taken to dethrone King Nanda came true. Throughout his life, Chanakya found nothing impossible. The worst problems melted before his wisdom. तो हमने क्या देखा बच्चों कि जब पहले एक आर्मी लेकर के चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य और चाणक्य ने मगध पर अटैक किया, तब तो वो हार गए. लेकिन चाणक्य ने हार नहीं मानी. इतनी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में भी उन्होंने एक नया प्लान बनाया. जो नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न एरिया था इंडिया का, वो ऑलरेडी बहुत वीक था अलेक्जेंडर के जाने के बाद. तो पहले उन सारे वीक स्टेट्स को इकट्ठा किया, एक नई और स्ट्रॉन्ग आर्मी बनाई और फिर मगध पे अटैक करके नंदा को हरा करके उसको थ्रोन से हटा दिया। इस तरह से अपनी कसम भी पूरी करी। तो हमें क्या सीखने को मिलता है कि अगर ठान लो कुछ करना है तो वो इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है। कितनी भी मुश्किल आए, अगर हम वाइज हैं, इंटेलिजेंट हैं, समझदार हैं, तो हम उन प्रॉब्लम्स को ओवरकम कर सकते हैं।